welcome back to the garden. It's October, you might not be able to tell, but it is time to plant onions and garlic. It's been a great year this year, so let me show you how to make the most of next year. Okay, so the very first thing you want to do is prepare your soil. You want something that's nice and loose like this. This is a no-dig bed. So all I've done this year is just make sure there's no weeds in it. I've broken up the top with a rake and I put on some of this year's compost. And that's it. Key things for your soil is to make sure that it drains well, because any waterlogged bulbs will just rot through the winter. So well drained, well weeded and loose. Right, we spoke about soil. Now let's talk about the bulbs. We're going to plant 3 today. We've got some onions, some garlic and shallots. All are very similar and I'll show you each one. This is this year's garlic. It's been a really good year for garlic. And garlic is fantastic because actually you don't need seeds, you just need the bulb, which will break open to cloves. Okay, so basic principles all are exactly the same. It's easy to see actually on these shallots. So all you need to remember when we go and plant these in a second is you can see from the first year's growth, because these are set, so they were grew from seed last year, is the roots go down. So root down, pointy bit at the top, and the same with the garlic. You'll see there's a pointy bit and there's a flat bit, that'll be the root. So always pointy bit up. Now I can't remember what I was wearing this time last week, but if there's a change of clothes at this point, that's because there was a filming error. So I'm back in the garden just to finish off the planting of the garlic. I actually planted most of it last week, and we'll probably find that the garlic's taking root. But the part of the video where I planted it was lost. So here we are again. Just a quick recap. We've got our bulb, pointy end up, root end down, and it's so easy. And with this nice loose soil, I literally make a small place and then I pop it in the soil and I cover it up. Now what I will do is, or I did rather in this case, is I put them all on the surface first, made my lines so they're nice and evenly spaced, and I just push them in. Now the process is exactly the same with onions, which I popped in this bed, and with shallots, which I popped in this top bed here around the leeks, which are there. You simply push them in loose soil. So planting onions and garlic is dead easy. You do it this time of year in order to ensure that the garlic has the benefit of a cult of the bulb split, and you get lots of nice garlic bulbs next year. But that's it. Like, if you've got any questions about how to plant your onions, garlic, shallots, etc., drop a message down below. Otherwise, if you've got some value, do please subscribe and like, etc. And it'd be good to hear from you. Thanks very much for now, and I'll see you in the next one.